Hi everyone. In this video, I will let you know how to show the front view in AutoCAD 2025 step by step. I have this 3D model, and if you want to see the front view, you simply click here on the cube front. You can see the front view, and here you can change to the 3D wireframe. Now click on here in Software Isometric, make it hidden. Now you can change the view here also. Click on front, you can see the front view. If you want to see here one or two view on the model, we can see 4 views in model as well as in layout. First I will show you in the model. I will click here on Southwest Isometric. To see more views, we have to click on visualize and select here viewport configuration. Here you select the number of views as per your own requirement. I will select 2 vertical here. Double click inside. When you see this line activated, now type zoom extend. Same way here. Click here and click on the front view. You can see the front view. This is the views in the model. Now if you want to see in the layout, click on layout. I will delete this one. Type here viewport. You select here number of views. I will select number of views 4 equal. Double click here. If you want to make a space in between, then you give the spacing. I will give 10. Now specify the point on the screen in which you want to show the views. Now this is my isometric view. I will make it top. Click here on the top and double click inside, and this is my front view. And double click inside the view and change to the right view, side view. And double click outside, you are out of the viewport. Now if you want to hide these views boundary, how we can do that? For that, you type here layer and click new layer and give the name viewports. Enter. Now select these views boundary here and click on the layer and put in the viewport. Escape. Now simply hide the viewport. Now you can see that now it's perfectly looking. You can write here the names of the views. For that, type empty text and you write here, this is my isometric view, and I will make the size 6. Now simply copy and same here, copy here, ortho, edit, and this is my top view, and this is my front view, this is my side view.